miss those 80s days, living wild and free. Arcades wasn't allowed where we all used to be. Flipping through those books, at the table we'd stay, with family, with friends, as we laughed away. Singing to the songs, taping what we love, every moment cherished, never getting enough. Racing through the night, memories of lanes, living for the thrill in love's glory day. Rewinding those old tapes, we danced till we dropped. Every frame a treasure, our hearts just couldn't stop. Video stores were gold mines, every film a gem, filling up those shelves where stories were friends. Jumping in the car, chasing dust away, neon signs and laughter painted on the day. Screaming at evenings under starry skies, capture every moment before it's expired. Walking, singing, slow floor, covering up the side, helping up but else, sailing over the high. Playing those as you fade, gods who shedding ground, and make every mud tear to empty hound, and make you less than kind. Let's rewind those cassettes to our laughter always played, with global flickering screens, but memories were made. Hopping on our bikes, racing to the old arcade, trading tokens for smiles in a world where we stayed. With mixtapes in our pockets and dreams held in our gaze, living in that era where life's a sunny phase. How the years have flown by, but those days never fade in our hearts. They linger, those wild escapades. I miss those 80s days, living wild and free. Arcades wasn't allowed where we all used to be. Flipping through those books, at the table we'd stay, with family, with friends, as we laughed away. Singing to the songs, taping what we love, every moment cherished, never getting enough. Racing through the night, memories of lanes, living for the thrill in love's glory day. Rewinding those old tapes, we danced till we dropped. Every frame a treasure, our hearts just couldn't stop. Video stores were gold mines, every film a gem, filling up those shelves where stories were friends. Jumping in the car, chasing dust away, neon signs and laughter painted on the day. Screaming at evenings under starry skies, capture every moment before it's expired. Walking, singing, slow floor, covering up the side, helping up but else, sailing over the high. Playing those as you fade, gods who shedding ground, and make every mud tear to empty hound, and make you less than kind. Into black the man tell what they've done. Singing to the clocks, everyone displays, falling moments and every fear with full grace. Screaming through the night as I once looked twice, capture every moment before it's goodbye. Winding those old tapes we think are reckoning. I know there's no worse step not in. Although down, cheating on the race. We ride down the streets with Walkman control. Seekers pride while they're moving too slow. Saturday morning. Walking down memory lane, arcade games so bright. With pockets full of dreams, we rule the night. Fling the cassettes in every local store. Our favorite tunes, our lives to explore. On rainy days, we'd find up to hide. Pages of adventure and books we'd buy. At your table, or stars intertwined. In world imagination, we were never blind. We'd run all day in the glowing arcades, flipping through texts in the shelves unafraid. Kept out our youth in the songs on repeat. Sat by the table, our moments complete. In the 80s, far we saw high. Top of the bombs, reaching for the sky. Family nights, together at the core. Those days on this, whether we adore. A Polaroid flash capturing time. Back to the biz of my favorite climb. Train stickers from his stories untold. In a world so vivid, so cold. Oh, how the lights went dim with no regret. In those days we knew no end yet. Peace and nights with laughter and harmony. Nostalgia calls us back, eternity. We love the latest videotape release. Grinning widely's the weeks with seats. On movie nights from Magic, Family Line. Popcorn flying around, laughter shy. Scrambled beef steaks, toast from the charts. Through dusty take days, capturing hearts. Chasing dreams, all cars of beats that out in every city and moment we ride. Walking down memory lane, arcade games so bright. With pockets full of dreams, we rule the night. Fling the cassettes in every local store. Our favorite tunes, our lives to explore. On rainy days, we'd find up to hide. Pages of adventure and books we'd buy. At your table, or stars intertwined. In world imagination, we were never blind. We'd run all day in the glowing arcades, flipping through texts in the shelves unafraid. Kept out our youth in the songs on repeat. Sat by the table, our moments complete. In the 80s, far we saw high. Top of the bombs, reaching for the sky. Family nights, together at the core. Those days on this, whether we adore. A Polaroid flash capturing time. Back to the biz of our favorite climb. Train stickers from his stories untold. In a world so vivid, so cold. Oh, how the lights went dim with no regret. In those days we knew no end yet. Peace and nights with laughter and harmony. Nostalgia calls us back, eternity.